Hi everyone, this video is an addition to my previous video right here because I've made this wall mount for Lithophane and now I've printed out my grandma and my son together on the landscape, and now what we're going to do, we're gonna adjust wall mount to the actual size of the Lithophane. Okay, let's jump in our Cura and I will show you how to do that. Okay, so all what we need is our Lithophane, here it is. Then we take the file, I named it holder big. Okay, so as we can see, our Lithophane sizes are X 138.5, Y we have 30.8 and Z 73.25. So we will try to do the same scaling on our frame. So X was 138.5, 138.5, Y we had 38 and Z we had, let's call it 74. Okay, so now we see how does it looks like. So let's try to move it a little bit. Yeah, I would say it's perfect. So that's how you adjust your frame to the Lithophane. Basically, you're looking at scale, you take all this, round up, let's say to closest millimeter, then you take your another model, put it all inside, and that's how we get. Don't worry about all this warping, it still have its functions. So that's how simple you can adjust your wall mount to your Lithophane. It's not that complicated. One more time, thank you for watching, have a great print.